NVTS down 15.7%. This is Monday, the 4th of August 2025, post market session. So the stock is trending following its latest earnings report, which has sparked mixed reactions among investors. While the company's partnership with NVIDIA remains a major point of optimism, community discussions are now focused on more immediate outlook, particularly the Q3 guidance, which came in below some expectations. Many traders are parsing the earnings call and financials, noting that while NVTS continues to position itself as a key player in the AI power efficiency through gallium nitride and silicon carbide technologies, the revenue projections raised some red flags. Some investors expressed disappointment that the growth trajectory appears to be slowing in the short term, especially given the broader AI boom. One area of growing concern is the potential impact of escalating US China trade tensions, with China being a significant market for semiconductors and electronics manufacturing. The risk of additional tariffs or supply chain disruptions is weighing on sentiment. Bulls argue that NVTS's diversified customer base, including its recently highlighted ties with NVIDIA and consumer electronics giant Xiaomi, provides a buffer, but bears caution that micro headwinds could delay adoption of or pressure margins. Macro headwinds could delay adoption or pressure margins. At the same time, the long-term thesis remains intact for many in the community. NVTS is seen as a critical enabler of high-efficiency power systems, a necessary component as AI infrastructure continues to scale. Enthusiasts are calling it picks and shovels for the AI arms race, with its chips being increasingly used in data centers, EVs, and next-gen consumer devices. Traders are now watching closely for technical or breakout zones, further insider activity, and updates on design wins or consumer orders that could validate the growth trajectory. The short interest also remains a topic of interest, as some speculate that negative sentiment may be overdone, creating the potential for a rebound if the company executes beyond the executes in the Q3 and beyond. So let's see what we have here. Lower prices are expected to play out all the way towards tomorrow's pre-market session, and then we might get a bounce. But extrapolation is not indicating that that bounce will hold. It's just going to hold for only one trading session, and then okay, well, if you like two trading sessions, and then maybe that they may have the downtrend may resume. Yeah, the downtrend may resume because it was in a downtrend. Yeah, so it's they're just saying that it's just going to bounce after 2 days after the weakness it has showed today. Was it today? Or, yes. How many sessions? One session is it? Two. Okay, yeah. Today's weakness. Yeah, we just going to see a bounce after 2 days and then lower prices. But this is just that's just an extrapolation. There's no guarantee that that will happen. And we have let's see what we have in terms of what's the price 6.71. So we have 6.74, 7.92. They are currently upper projections. Let's see what we have. We have 6.74, 7.72, 7.95, 8.31. 7.9, okay, 6.74, okay, we have them, okay, 6.74, 7.92, 8.15, 8.52. They were in play earlier on. So further, we have down projections 3.49, 3.95, 4.68, upper projections 7.75, 8.38, 8.78. I think there's a decent amount of upper projections. Yeah, let's see. Selling pressure has gotten gotten further amplified, but we have a positive first derivative on the 10-period moving average, indicating that maybe that's why we have the extrapolation saying that the bounce will occur by tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. So a lot has changed. So we could just have a look at the daily chart, not to get any extrapolations. Maybe just remind ourselves of the projections. So you can see we have a totally different picture here. If you're looking at the 4-hour chart, it's looking a lot more miserable. But the stock is, you can see what's going on here. The 10-day moving average and the 10 and what am I talking about? Okay, sorry, the 21-day moving average and the 40-day moving average. They have served as a primary sub demand line. One, two, three, four times since since July, and currently, where is it right now? Okay, it hasn't. It has just broken through that those moving averages. It has just broken through them, unfortunately. So they have failed. They couldn't hold the support. Maybe that's why we have a bounce expected. Maybe that's why we also have a bounce expected on the 4-hour chart. So in terms of projections, what do we have here? 11.79, 14.12, 15.57. So yeah, we have a decent amount of headroom to see if there's going to be any chance of a rebound. Yeah, for the weakness, 17.34. Okay, let's see. Quickly glance at the 3-hour chart and see what's going on there. Yeah, same extrapolation on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so quite similar as well on the 2-hour chart. 1-hour chart, let's see. Okay, yeah, quite similar as well. Yeah. Okay, see what you make of NVTS, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.